Hey everybody, I did a review on this TP4B bag by Vito and how you can actually fit a drill in the bag. Of course, in this review, I say how I only carry things that I will use, nothing that I may use. It's only stuff that I need. I use this bag for air conditioner work. I do apartment maintenance, but of course we have to fix our own air conditioners here. So I climb up and down roofs all summer long. So I have to have something lightweight, efficient that I can, keep the stuff that I'll use all day long or all summer long. In this bag, I carry, of course, a plier and a wire stripper by Klein. And these are great tools. There's nothing wrong with them. I love them. But I found this one tool that will replace these two easily replace these two. This is, of course, a Klein. It's a J207 by Klein. It's just an amazing tool. Like I said, I don't do that many tool reviews, but when I find something that I think is well worth it, and I think you guys will get benefit from, of course, I'll share it with you guys. This, of course, is a needle nose plier. It's a wire stripper. Of course, it's a cutter. It also cuts bolts. It's got a crimper on it, and it's got a you can pull a fish tip with it. It's just great. Insulated, of course, it's got to be insulated. It's just a great tool. It's something that I just got to share with you guys. They're not that cheap. They're like, I think I paid it $35, something like that for it. But it's just a well worth tool. And I thought I just want to share it with you guys. I'm turning an apartment right now, and this bag is good for this type of work too, because right now I'm doing all the electrical. I'm changing all the outlets. And I've been using this tool all day. And I figured, man, I want to share this with everybody out there, because this is just a great tool. This is one of those tools that you can have for a long time, that you always there's tools that you actually enjoy using, and I think that this is one of them. And I think the older you get, the more you value tools that are well worth the money. You can have a trunk full of tools, but there's a few tools that you're always going to think, man, this tool, I just love using this tool. There's tools that you love using. This is one of them for me. I'm gonna change a electrical outlet right now with it, just to demonstrate how it works. Of course, you guys already know this, but I'll just go over it with you guys, and well, let's do this. I know you guys, most of you guys already know how to change an outlet. You guys don't need to see this, but I'll go over it just to demonstrate the tool a little bit. It's one of those tools, like I said before, that you just love. There's for most of us that love working, there's tools that we love using too. Of course, this is a tool that I've been it's new to me right now. I love it. It's something that I'll probably use and have with me for years and years. Oh, I should have cut these because I'm demonstrating the tool. Forgot. Well, anyways, I took them off. I'll cut this one at least. It's a great cutter. The cutter works, perfectly fine. Perfect, wonderful, beautiful. And of course, you can bend it really easy. Once it's bent, there's a fly in here. It's a needle nose, so you have no problem fitting in this tight spot, tightening it. I mean, it's just an amazing tool. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, I would invite you guys to do that. I don't really do that many tool reviews, like I said, but in this case, I'm doing one. Most of my videos are maintenance related, or air conditioner, or plumbing, or anything like that. All these, I always like to put, especially the hot ones in. I'll do these also. And, well, I already used the tool. I'm not going to use it anymore because everything after this is just really simple, putting it back together. But like I said before, great tool, great wire stripper, works wonderful on it. The cutters, it's just a great tool. And like I said, once again, I'll say it. I would recommend that tool to anybody. This video is not sponsored. I bought the tool myself. It's not a cheap tool, but it's a tool that I would really recommend. Well, you guys have a great day.